Hi friends, welcome to Rich Mentor. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Magento2 in your Windows. Now go to your browser and type Magento2 download. Click enter. It will direct you to a web page where you can download a Magento2. Yeah, it's first page. Just hit this button, hit a link, and it will redirect you to the page where you can find your zip files. Yes, the page, and from here select your format. I am going to select zip format and hit download. It will start downloading your file zip folder here, but if you are doing it for the first time, then you should create an account, or you should first you should sign in, or if you don't have any account, then you should create an account with following credentials: name, work email address, company name, phone number, URL, and password, confirm password, and you should hit a submit button and it will automatically download. In my case, I have already downloaded my zip file and I am going to paste the zip file in htdocs. I have pasted my zip file in htdocs folder, local drive E and XAMPP1 and htdocs. Well, I have named my XAMPP as XAMPP1 because I am dealing with multiple XAMPP control panel. It is completely a different story. I don't want you to divert the topic. Now extract the Magento file, and I am started extracting. It will take a bit amount of time. I am going to pause my video. My file is extracted and I renamed it as Magento2. The next step I need to do is go to the browser, type localhost Magento2. It will redirect you to another page where you should start your installing Magento. Yeah, welcome to Magento admin. Okay, you should hit a agree and set up Magento. The next step, it has steps like readiness, add database, web configuration. Hit a start readiness check. If you have any errors like PHP version, so you should upgrade your version, and you may get an exception also, extension check exception. If you get any extension check exceptions, then you should follow this step. Go to your control panel and click config php ini files. Under that, find your error name. Like if you get error in XLS or SOAP, and find your error. If you get any extension error like extension php xls.dll, then you should follow this step. You should remove the semicolon over there. You can see I have already removed the semicolon, and click save. You should follow this step for all the process, all the extensions. If you get any error, I am done with first step. Everything is fine and I don't have any other exceptions. If you have any exceptions, then you should follow the steps that I have said now. Next, click next. It will redirect you to the page that where you should create a database, localhost root. Okay, the next step is we should create a database. So go to the localhost php In my case it's localhost colon 77 port number. If you have 8080 port number, just type localhost. Hit a new database button and create your database name as Magento2. Actually I have already created the database Magento, so I am not going to hit a create button. If you are doing it for first time, then you should hit the create button, then a database will be created. The next thing you have to do is now type your database name as Magento2, okay, and your database server user, it will be root and localhost, and then click next. It will redirect you to you can get your address like http localhost colon 47 and Magento2. Okay, I'm fine. Next, click next. It will go to the next page, that is next step, where you should provide your information like GMT. Well, I am from India, I am going to give Indian time, Indian standard, and then click next. Then it will go to the fifth step, that means create an admin account step, where you should create an admin account like I am done with filling the credentials and I am going to hit next. You should provide a strong password. Next. In next step it will ask you to install, then hit a install now button. It will start installing in a pretty amount of time. It may take around 30 to 40 minutes. It's based on your internet speed. After installing step, then it will redirect you to the success page. Please where you can see your information, username, email address, all those stuff, and encryption key. Okay, next you have to do is just hit a launch Magento admin, and it started loading. If you click this link, then it will go to the Magento page, and if you want to go to the admin page, then you should use this link. Magento2 is successfully installed. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.